Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out the science vector book and open your page number 54. Today we are starting unit 9 and our topic is the solar system. What is a solar system? A solar system is made up of a large star. And all the planets that orbit that star. There are many solar systems in the universe. The solar system includes the sun. This large star is called the sun. The earth where you are now. Look at this picture. Here's the picture of earth, and earth where you are now, and all the other planets. So it's become the solar system. You may think that the earth is a pretty big place, but the earth is not even the biggest planet in the solar system. What is the universe? The universe is the whole of space and everything in it. All the planets, stars, moon, and other smaller bodies. So, what is the universe? The universe includes all the planets, stars, sun, moon, and other smaller bodies. So look at here, our solar system. We are in a solar system. In our solar system, that star that the earth orbits is called the sun. In our solar system, the star that the earth orbit around the sun. 8 planets orbit the sun. Can you name the 8 planets in our solar system? When you have tried to name them, look in the box of page 55 to find the answer. Okay, can you name the 8 planets in our solar system? The names of 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So now open your page number 56. Our planet. Anybody know? What is the name of our planet? Our planet is Earth. Earth is our planet. Try and stand totally still. Do not move at all. Do you think you are moving? Well, you are always moving. You are always moving because Earth is always moving. The Earth travels around the sun. So here's the Earth orbit, and our planet Earth is always moving around the sun. It takes the Earth 1 year to travel all the way around the sun, and it completes its orbit around 1 year to travel all the way around the sun. Okay. Now look at your page number 57. The earth also spins around. This means that sometimes your home faces the sun. Your home faces the sun. That is when it is day. And it also means that sometimes your home faces away from the sun. And it's away from the sun. So that is when it is night. You all know during the daytime the sun is near to the earth, and during the night time the sun is far away from the earth. Here we have an activity and we do it in the classroom, but I just read it for you. Activity time: get 2 balls, one large and one small. Ask a friend to hold the large ball up. This is the sun. Okay. Now you hold a small ball up in one hand and walk in a large circle around your friend. Make sure you keep turning your ball. This will give you an idea of what the earth is doing all the time. Okay, all of you know the earth is revolving around the sun. So you just do this activity with your friend or by yourself, okay, with your siblings. Okay, Now look at your page number 58. The moon. When you look up at the sky at night, you might see the moon. And during the night time, you might have seen the moon. Do you think the moon orbit the sun? The moon orbits the earth, like the earth orbits the sun. So the moon orbits the earth. Okay, the moon revolve around the earth. Now look at your page number 59. Solar system crossword. Here we have clues across and down. Number 2 है this orbit our planet. This orbit our planet. Moon orbits our planet. Okay. The name of our planet, all of you know. Our planet name is Earth. So you write it across like this. Number 1 is our planet orbits this. Our planet orbits Sun. So you write it down. S-U-N, Sun. And look at your number 2 point, the name of another planet in our solar system. So we write it on number 2 and we write it down. And the name of another planet in our solar system is Mars. So you write it here like M-A-R-S, Mars. Now your homework is read this chapter and do question answers in your neat copies. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.